But what's not performing is Gland Pharma. The numbers were dismal, and accordingly, we are seeing a negative reaction on the stock, stuck in lower circuit with a cut of around 20%. Let's go across to Sharad to get the key highlights of the internal. Sharad.
Well, yes, in focus we are having Gland Pharma and came out with a weak set of March quarterly numbers. The revenue fell almost 30%, and looking at the margins, that fell almost 1000 basis points. Now, overall, if you look at it, the margins were impacted because of higher employee and other expenses. But on the other side, if you look at it, the gross margins did expand by 300 basis points due to lowering of raw material costs. Apart from this, a 56 crore rupees adjustment was there for the impairment of financial assets. And also, if you look at the segmental performances, the core business, which contributes roughly 70% of the total sales, that fell almost 23% on a year-on-year basis, while the India business fell 68% and the rest of the world fallen by 10%. But now let's look at the key triggers for the stock and what lies ahead for the company. And of course, the company is focusing on building biosimilar CDMO projects and also in the manufacturing of the injectables. And this quarter itself, the company actually closed the acquisition of Cenexi, and this happens to be the first overseas acquisition. And management has remained bullish because of the synergies which are expected to come in because of this acquisition, and the company itself is prepared to launch new products, the first initial batches in the China market as well.
Thanks, Sharad, for that.